Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 493rd episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. It's non-sequential. You can listen to the topics that interest you the most. I apologize, the sound might be a little off today. I need to change my microphone and headphones just before this recording, so hopefully this will be delivered clearly. Sherry's post today is entitled Management Priorities for New and Experienced Construction Company Owners. Let's get into it. In the past, construction project managers were laborers or served an apprenticeship in one of the skilled construction trades and were promoted to foreman. This meant many people who were more comfortable in manual labor without management skills. And when things were put in charge of people, the results were not usually favorable. Because of this, many construction companies failed and went out of business due to the cost of chaos in their businesses. And it is still happening today. In the late 20th century, construction and construction management were separated into individual disciplines, each with its methodologies, terms, and definitions. Project Management Institute developed a set of standards and guidelines, including a glossary of terms to make it possible for construction project managers worldwide to have a common language to communicate. In today's construction business world, there is a need for excellent project management. Highly skilled and qualified construction project managers on your payroll can provide your company with another competitive advantage over your competition, which could be like having a money tree in your backyard. As a result, you can put more money in the bank to operate and grow your construction business. Whether you just started your construction business and are a one-person company, just looking to hire a subcontractor for other parts of your project, or a weathered construction company owner looking to regain skills to operate your business confidently, it is essential to prioritize these management guidelines. First, put together a solid advisory team. Starting a business and owning a construction business can be a lonely process, and thinking you can do it all yourself is the road to extra stress and pressure. Study successful business owners, and you'll find they have surrounded themselves with a strong group of advisors. A typical core team would include an accountant, a lawyer, a banker, and a mentor, such as an experienced business person you admire. You can then add experts who can give you quality advice on specialist areas where you may lack skills, such as finance, production, marketing, or technology. Second, choose the proper business structure with advice. Should you start as a sole proprietor, a limited liability company, a partnership, or something else? Get advice, as each structure involves legal, regulatory, and tax issues. Think beyond this year. Which structure will carry the most credibility with customers? What's the best system for expanding the business or taking in partners? What form would best suit future investors? Think also of succession. One day, you will want to sell or pass on the business to family, staff, or an outside buyer. Next, sort out all compliance requirements. You don't want to be distracted by compliance issues once you're in business. List everything you need to sort out now, from health and safety issues to permits and consents required from federal, state, or local authorities. If you're starting a business from home, do you need permission? Will your business involve hazardous activities, noise, or toxic chemicals? If so, what licenses do you need and what health and safety measures do you need to take? What taxes do you have to pay and when? What is a sound system for getting this done so you don't miss any payments or incur penalties? Make a checklist and work systematically through it with help from your advisors. Fourth, set up well-built systems. Good business is all about substantial systems. To run your business well, you need efficient processes. Time spent setting up simple but effective systems will pay off handsomely. Think about everything from production and work processes to service and billing. With good strategies, you can run the business more efficiently and delegate more confidently, deliver efficient and consistent quality in products, services, and customer delivery. Train new staff more quickly if they have clear operating manuals to follow. Delegate or take time off with more confidence that others can follow operating manuals. Add value to your business in the eyes of a future buyer. And build the foundation you will need to future-proof your business. Fifth, develop good credit management. You need a fast, efficient, consistent credit management process if you sell on credit. As a new business, you need the money owed to you as soon as possible to pay bills and lower your interest cost. Never let things slide, or some customers will treat you as a source of cheap finance. Key points. Check the credit standing of all new customers, even though you may be eager for their business. Make sure customers understand your terms of trade and sign an agreement with them. Set credit limits and a system to flag orders exceeding the agreed credit limit. Bill promptly and send statements out on time. Follow up on late payers immediately. Late payers must know you're always on their case. In order of effectivity, visit them, call them, or email them. Next, deploy an exceptional accounting system. You need timely information to make the right business decisions. Get help from your accountant to set up an easy-to-operate accounting system. A correctly set up construction accounting system should allow you to automatically download and categorize bank statement details, saving time and eliminating manual data entry errors. Generate instant profit and loss, budget, and other financial reports. View a quick dashboard summary of business performance. Bill customers, track payments, and flag overdue payments for your attention. Keep your cash flow position updated so you can update your forecast. If you choose a cloud solution, you and your accountant get the added benefit of being able to access the information from any internet connection. Seventh, identify and monitor your key drivers, or KPIs. Some key performance indicators, or KPIs, such as gross profit and net profit margins, are common to all businesses. But each company also has KPIs specific to its types, such as production units for a manufacturer, conversion rate of visitors into sales for a retailer, or billable hours per week for a service business like yours. Get help from your financial advisor or accountant to identify the core drivers for your type of business. Then monitor them closely and set improvement goals. Monitoring your KPIs will help you grow your business and show other stakeholders, such as lenders and investors, that you have your finger on the living pulse of your business. This brings us to the last one, number 8, build good relationships with stakeholders. In addition to customers, lenders, investors, and suppliers are also important stakeholders in your business. Make a point of developing good relationships with all of them. As well as enhancing your business experience, good relationships will pay off handsomely in tough times. Paying suppliers on time will develop a relationship you can draw on later to negotiate more acceptable payment terms if times get tough. Showing you have good money skills and can forecast cash flow crunches well in advance will build the confidence of your lenders and investors. If necessary, learn what you don't know, such as financial management basics or construction bookkeeping and accounting. Final thoughts. Too many construction businesses fail because the owner has not established efficient management systems. This typically happens because the construction company owner is so caught up in the day-to-day operations that the fundamentals of proper business management get forgotten. Often, too, it must be said that the owner doesn't like bookkeeping or other administrative tasks, so these get put on the back burner. The whole point about putting in sound systems is that they free you to spend more time working on your business, not in it. Having weak systems is the road to stress and burnout. On the other hand, solid business systems will enable you to work smarter, not harder. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Remember, our promo code is still available for you to use. It's podcast20, PODCAST20, podcast20. Whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes, it's 20% discount. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. If you want to chat about growing your construction business or still confused about which product to purchase, you can always get in touch with Sherry. You can email her at Sherry, SHARIE, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com, or you have a direct access to her. You just give her a call at our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770 or our Washington State local phone line 206-361-3950. On behalf of Sherry and our team here at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.